Hello and welcome. Let's continue designing our website. As you know, we have previously designed the navigation. Today we'll bring an image here, and above the image we will write some text. So let's go to the unsplash.com and we will download the image from here. I have shown you previously this here. Let's bring a very cool image. You can scroll down, but if you come up here you can just go to the computer category and we will take one of these images from here. So let's select this one, come here and download it. So it got downloaded. Now going to the download folder, here is the image we have downloaded just now. Here is the, I'll copy it and paste it in our web design projects. Inside this one I will select an img folder and put it here, and then I will give them the header name. As you can see, it is 2.5 megabytes. If I edit it, as you can see, it is a very large image, so I will change the size to 500 pixel, and then it will look something like this. Still the quality is good. I will save it. Now as you can see, the size is small. The size of the image should be small because this is just fine. So I will come here and bring the image here. So in the code, as you can see, we have navigation. Under the navigation we have our head nav, and inside the header, of course, it is going to be counted as a header. You can put it outside the header, but I will put it here and give a class of div here. The tag, the div tag, and this is a class of hero or slider or header, anything you can say. I'll give the class of hero, and then I will say the hero should have a background image. So I will come here and then I will write a little comment here. Mostly when you write your code, you should comment that which portion of the code is for which portion. That way, if your code gets longer, that will help you understand where your code where you are and where you are writing the code. So I'll select the hero, and then I say BGI or background image. The URL, it is going to go to img, and we have the header.png for now. If I come here and refresh the page, nothing will appear here because our header here do not have any height. We do not have any content for the hero here. If I write a little paragraph here, let's say we have 100 words, and let's come refresh the page. Now it's showing up here, so it's fine for now, but we should give them a little height. Without this much text, it should display the image. So that's why I come here and give the hero a little bit of height. The height should be 400 pixel. Now if I come and refresh the page, it is going to show something like this. And beside this one, we show the background image, but the background image or the background size should be as cover. Cover means something like this. It should try to fit it. Still it cannot fit because the image is a little large. That's why I can give it a 550 pixel, something like this large, and there should not be space above this. Let's see, inspect the space and see which portion of our code is giving the space here. This does not do this one, nor the header, as you can see. So the paragraph, yeah, because we have a paragraph, it is going to be like that. So I will come here and remove the paragraph and refresh the page. Now it shows a nice image here. So for now the image is fine, but we should have a slightly color over the image. One way you can use Photoshop. Of course, I will teach you Photoshop. The way you do it in Photoshop is you just open your image in Photoshop. Let's say for now I assume you know the basic of Photoshop, but I'll create I think I cannot create anything because the recorder is here. So I can at least take the layer here, and then I will create a layer here. Above the layer I will select the color here from the gradient, and then I will give them a gradient color like this. It will give a gradient color, so you can write text here. For now we can use the Photoshop, but in the future we will use CSS to write gradient. For now we have not studied about the gradient. This is just fine. Or you want to change the color, if you Control Z, of course it undo, and Control Alt Z will undo twice. So twice or thrice, as much as you want. If you press Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, it will undo and redo. You should press the Alt plus Z, then it is going to undo all of the changes. So for now I will change the color a little bit. This portion of the color should be not white. I think the color you select from here, let's say we select it and we pick a color for this one. I'm not sure. Yes, you can select the color here, it's fine. And if you put it here, it will okay, there is something wrong. Again I come here and say this portion must not have the opacity of 100, it should have a opacity of 5 or something like that. Now if I do it, now it is better. And then you can save your image, come to web design, to the media, we have our header, and inside this one you don't save as PSD, you select the PNG and then you give them the header. It will overwrite that one, so I will overwrite it. The high quality, yes. If I refresh this time, it will display something like this. Now it looks better. Now we can write a text above this one. So this is how you can use Photoshop, but in future, as I said, we will use the pure CSS to write gradient. So above this one we write a little h1 as a heading, and inside the header we say learn web design here. And let's refresh our page. As you can see, it will display here. Okay, now we should design it, how you are going to display it here, how you can remove all of those texts. In the next video we'll continue it, so see you in the next video.